What's up guys, welcome back to another motor vlog. So today you can see I am in front of my bike in a garage. So I am at my job right now, so I'm getting off. So I just came in to work a 4-hour shift. Someone called off, so let me get on the bike. I'll talk about it a little bit more, but it's gonna be a regular kind of vlog. I'll take the streets, I'll enjoy the weather. It's kind of cool. So alright guys, let's hop on the bike and let's get this going. Alright, got the bike on. Let me actually, because it's nighttime, I'm gonna put on the lights. Not strobing or nothing, just a solid white light. I think I want to go for. At least you'll be able to see me on the road, but we'll see. But here we go guys, the bike in the garage with my neon lights on. So yeah, I think that will be pretty good. Go with those. Alright guys, let me get this going and talk about a little bit more and my day, just overall a regular motor vlog going home. So alrighty, I'll catch you on the road guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So yep, like I said, just got off of work. I'm on the road heading home. I'm just gonna take the streets. It's a pretty nice day. So today, like I said, I came into work because someone just requested the day off, and I kind of split the shift with a co-worker. So we kind of took 4 hours. I took the other 4 hours, so he came in earlier, then I just took over. So it was not a bad day. Overall, it was a nice day to ride. So I did some errands, and afterwards I just got ready and went to work. But it was not too bad actually. I knew it was gonna be a nice weather tonight, so I can take the bike and enjoy the ride home. So plus I got my neon lights on. Hopefully be okay, I won't get pulled over. But luckily, for the past 2 years now, I have no problems. But we'll see guys, we'll see. Alright, ooh, actually I cleaned up this road. It's nice and paved now. Hopefully down the road it's a lot better too, because usually this road is really bumpy, but now it looks like it's a better road. It stops here. Oh no, it keeps on going, never mind. But yeah guys, this one is gonna be a regular kind of motor vlog, just talking to you guys and see how your summer is about to go. Right now mine is about to begin. It's already started. It's towards the end of May, so we'll see whenever I can get this motor vlog out. But yeah guys, so today it'll be just a nice relaxed ride going home and talking to you guys what has been going on. I know I've been really busy with the with work, with the whole thing last year, with the promotion I got at the beginning of the year, and stuff that I had to do, watch what I was doing, getting to know the position, and trying to see exactly what they want me to do for the promotion that I had. So I kind of figured everything already. So I have put on videos out more, so hopefully I can keep it up, 1 video a week. So that's what I want to do, keep that going, keep content going, rolling. So So I got stuff planned out, and hopefully I can keep on going, putting out video and contents on the channel. But overall, I really like doing it. It kinda relaxes me when I kinda edit, just zone out and concentrate on the video. But at the same time, I kinda lose in my head how to improve the videos, how to improve the cuts, not to mumble, not to not to but yeah guys, so this journey has been a pretty good one. I am a kind of an introvert. I know I'm saying I'm the last right now. But yeah, okay, that was from out of nowhere. I don't know how I accidentally called my voicemail. What I was saying, yeah, so doing this channel kinda helped me out. I'm trying to be more outgoing, talk more, work on my vocabulary, my speech. For a long time it's been kind of a hassle for me, or hard to communicate, because I kind of mumble, not pronunciate. So doing the channel like this, motovlogging, talking to the camera and to you guys, just knowing that you're on the back end of this, listening to me, to be good or bad, either or, but it helps me out, just knowing that people are listening to me and paying attention what I say. Hopefully my words are coming out okay. I am improving myself on speaking, so hopefully I can keep on going and improve overall, because I want to keep this going, because it's fun and it's improving myself, and it'll be a good thing for a long run, that I can communicate better and just overall be better for me. That was out of nowhere. That was very interesting. A random honk, a random wave. But I liked it. I like it. That's what motorcyclists are kinda having fun, enjoying the weather, the community, and it's just random acts of kindness, or it's just overall it's just being polite, like right now. People are nice, but at the same time people can be really mean. So but I take the good, at the same time the bad. But usually this route is going through the town, then going through houses. It's like a really really old community. Not really old, like the favorite place that I go to on that small little town that I like to go to relax. But it's about a little bit newer than that town. But the weather is really cooling down right now. At work I was really hot. They turn off the AC, the whole central air system. They just turn it off because they want to save money. And at the same time, the building is a green building, so they're trying to show that the building can save a lot of like money and energy on it. So they have a lot of stuff that can show that they're green. I think they might go solar, but that's just my thought. Probably not, but that's the only thing they have left they can go to be moving to the green, more environmental friendly company. But we'll see in the future. We'll see how long I can last there. So kind of stalled it right there. But that was a neutral, but nope. Usually this route takes me through the police station. It's actually right here on my right side, the town's police station, and it's actually close to the high school I went to. It's probably like what, maybe 10 blocks from here, not even, depending on what kind of blocks you think it's far, because a block here is gonna spread out. But it looks like they're doing a lot of constructions on the sidewalks, the roads. They're updating them, they're fixing them, because usually there's a lot of potholes, a lot of cracks here and there. It's just over time, because of winter and the snow plows, they're just scraping the road, and if there's like a little gravel or a road coming up, it kind of picks it up and makes a hole, and it just messes up the whole road for everybody when the spring and summer comes by. So usually around spring they're trying to catch up on fixing up the roads. So like right now on this side they're fixing up the walkways. So actually further down, and probably I'm gonna take the other road. There's one road that they are fixing, but I'm not gonna take it because it's not completely done. Further down it's still kind of really bumpy, so I'm just gonna take the other route further down. So it'll be a better route, and plus it'll be a straight shot to my house. But yeah guys, I know I have not explained what I do. I think I did say I am a security guard for a company. But yeah, the promotion that I got, it's about the same thing that I'm doing, but it's actually more of a wider aspect of watching over other buildings, communicating with people on other sites. So it's like kind of the same thing, but I have more responsibility. I can really say the company, because it's a really big company, and it's I don't want people to know where I work and kind of pass by and kind of mess up the workflow there, because it's a really strict company. So but yeah, for the whole last year, because I was trying to put out videos, I couldn't put out because I was working too much on the other aspect of the promotion, because we were going through like literally everything to run it smoothly for the upcoming year, this year. So whole last year was kind of like a whole revamp of the system, the structure, and the actual like how we're gonna run the security aspect. So it's pretty on point now. So we're just gonna see how this year is gonna go, when everything's gonna be opening up and people are rolling through. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it looks like it's starting up smoothly. There's people already coming in. Oop, put him in gear. Yeah, like I was saying, there's already people coming in. Not my building, but overall the whole aspect of the company, people are starting to roll in, and it looks like it's going okay, smoothly. But it's good that it's slowly opening. If the company just opened fully, it's gonna be a whole hectic, because we need to figure out everything all at once. Right now it's just we can't figure it out. stuff here, stuff there, getting everything situated and rolling out. But hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all smooth, nothing too big. But yeah. Alright guys, I am coming close to my home. So if you guys made it this far, I know I should have said this at the beginning, but subscribe, like, comment, it helps out big time. Trying to get the channel pushed out there with the likes and the subscriptions. Trying to hit the 1,000 subscribers this year, so hopefully I can do that, and it'll be a fun year, hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. But hey guys, I'll be in the comment section talking to you guys. I usually do when people have any kind of inquiries about like the M4 exhaust, the heat grips, the fairings, the tires. I've talked to people about them already, so like random questions. So yeah, just put them down in the comments, like, share this video out. But yeah guys, I'll leave you guys here. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you later. Peace.